y'all, Golden Honey, and today I'm just popping in for a little quick second to show you my cabbage collards. Now I used these collards for the Passover recently, and they are bitter herbs, obviously. So I just want to show you how big it is. The first time I cut these cabbage collards, they were pretty big. It was January 20th, right there around the freeze time, was starting to get colder, and I cut it again recently. Few leaves, actually probably like 7 leaves probably, for the Passover this March 16th. So I was going to show you my cabbage collards to show how big they are and how fast they grow. So if you're looking for a crop that grows pretty fast, cabbage collards is where it's at. So let me show you. Here's my cabbage collards. They are very big, y'all. I mean, it's like huge. I planted these last year. Yeah, I planted these two last year. Or the beginning. I can't remember. I planted a while back, and this one I planted about a week ago. And you can see I've been chopping away at them. So like for the past stuff, I chopped away like maybe 7 of them. So, and they've been growing, and there's still many leaves I can just take off. So yeah, I just want to show you how big it is. This is a very vigorous plant. If you want to if you're looking for a plant that's easy to grow and it's cold tolerance and most likely heat tolerance too. I haven't really experienced too much heat with it because it was small first time I got it. But this is the plant you want to get if you're looking for something that's fast growing and it tastes pretty good when you cook with it and when it's raw. So go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.